Hi guys, I know I've not posted in a while, but here's a short video of me holding a parrot. We went to this like a tiny sort of tropical zoo thing earlier today, and there was this parrot there that seemed to take a liking to me. So yeah, I just knelt down and it climbed down the cage, and you'll see, it's coming right up.
Nice. Oh, lovely. Oh, you've got a okay, did he love you? Oh, so cute. There's a brown one coming up as well from behind.
Well, don't scare it. Just... That is just gorgeous.
It really is.
I bet he doesn't get much human interaction.
Coming up.
You have to kind of like push your arm underneath its chest, I think. Oh, brilliant. Wow.
I wish I
Hold
knew
out
your
your
name,
arms then.
we could have a chat. Eh?
I think it's Jasper.
You lovely.
Is he heavy?
He looks like he'd be heavy.
Is he heavy?
Yeah, he's got some weight.
Is that why you want to put
Tell
him
you
down?
what, would you put him on my arm and take a picture of
Yeah.
me? Don't film it, just hello. Hello.
Come out the way, Eddie.
It was a pretty cool experience after all that, and again, I'm sorry for not posting in a while. I've just been super busy with all sorts of crap. So yeah, I'm looking to get a new flip camera, so if anyone knows any decent cameras, please suggest them to me. Not necessarily a flip camera, but anything that's as good, possibly like a decent Sony video vlogging camera. But please let us know. Anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you guys later.
Oh,
Oh.
I think you've done it wrong.